Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing essentials. Your WhatsApp business profile must state what you offer and a clear call to action. Once done, import segmented contact lists and label each lead for targeted messaging. Make sure to draft 3 short templates: an intro, a concise value hook, and an opt-in consent message, because you'll send these first. You do this to get a measurable response quickly and to comply with expectations. It speeds testing and avoids wasting time on non-starters. Now scale the conversation intelligently. Send personalized templates using tokens like first name and source so each message feels direct. While scaling, set automated replies for FAQs and business hours to triage leads and keep response times short. Make sure to log every reply into your CRM and score leads from 1 to 10 so you prioritize high intent. Once prioritized, assign human follow-up to warm leads. This preserves automation benefits while keeping convert. To finish, move qualified leads to a live pitch or booking link and confirm any necessary details. You close faster when steps are simple. Once done, ask for micro-commitments, a demo, short call, or download to increase conversion momentum. If something goes wrong, first check your templates for blocked phrases, verify opt-in consent, and confirm you haven't hit WhatsApp messaging limits. Make sure to iterate on timing and wording. Small tweaks often fix deliverability or response problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.